Hey everybody, welcome back to the Crafty Yarn Barn. Today is day 2 of the yarn haul. I think that I'm just about halfway through. I'm going to just show you some of the highlights today of some of the boxes that I've found yarn in that I really liked and was looking forward to working with. I think there's just too much for you to see of everything. You'll see here in a minute what I'm talking about. If you want to see day 1 from when we went and picked up all the yarn, check out the comment box below and you'll be able to see the link that gets you to the day 1 of the yarn haul. So let's get started and let's get all that yarn boxed up so we can get up into the craft room. Alright, so this is day 2 of the yarn. Trying to get it organized, and I've had to buy more totes. I got 8 more totes, and I think I'm going to see if there's anything of excitement in here, and then if there is, I'll show you. Look at all this big twist cotton. She got tons of white. Look at all the different colors. And then this box I just opened, it looks like she just packed it up. She ordered by bulk, it appears. And so yeah, brand new, brand spanking new. A little exciting. Putting it in these tubs to get them organized. And now another box, opening it up, and it's the Bernat Happy. Look how pretty that is. It's got, sort of reminds me of the Peep Squeak yarn. Get over here where the lighting's a little better. There we go. Reminds me a little bit of the Peep Squeak yarn. Look at that. A whole box of it. So I'm going to get that organized. And then I found another bag with some Peep Squeak yarn. Opened up this box, and it is a box full of variegated Super Saver Red Heart. Probably 12 to 15 skeins of that. So, and I got 3 boxes over there of reflective yarn. I'm going to open that next and we can look at that. Okay. I've got 3 boxes now, and they say reflective. I opened one, and look how pretty that is. Oranges and blues. This one I just opened it, and there's purple and greens and gray. Looks like some cream colored, and it's all reflective yarn. Here's oranges, and there's black. Lift up this teal looking, and there's green. So there's 16 skeins in that box and 16 in this box. I have another box here. It looks like she had started rolling these. She just got random colors and several, like a lime green with black, and it's all reflective yarn. So between these 3 boxes, there's 24 skeins of yarn there. So I'm going to put these in these totes. So I opened another vacuum bag, and I got this out. This is some kind of a, I don't know what that is, a wool type yarn. I don't know if I like it. It's a little dirty looking, like it's, you know, she had rolled it in a ball, and looks like there was a hair on it. So I think I'm going to discard this ball. This is the first bag that has given me some concern. Just like a lot of scrap things that she has in there. And it's like there's some hair in it. And I've seen that at Michael's, the Vanna's Compliment Lines brand. But to me, it just, something's not quite right with this bag. It has a little bit of a faint smell. So I'm going to throw this whole bag of yarn away. The vacuum bag wasn't sealed good, so it just might have got old and dirty and dusty. So far, this is my only bag that's given me some concern. Now another box of Big Twist Graphics. Looks like there's 12 skeins total here. Real pretty colors. So I think I'm going to put those all together. Look like 2 boxes of woolies. So let's see what's in here. Looks like they were on clearance. Oh, I like this. This would be nice for scarf or hat. Looks like there's 8 skeins in here and 8 more in here. Ooh, that's exciting. This box says Sachet Star Bella Premier Red Heart. Never heard of that. Ooh, look at that. Huh, it's like netting. That's pretty cool. Star Bella Premier Yarns. It's like all kinds of colors. Look at that. Alright. I can't wait to try this yarn out. That's pretty cool. Looks like 4, 8, 16 skeins. What's down here? Some, oh, it's got some, look how nice that is. Alright, everybody. I believe that I am done for the day working on this yarn. All in total, I believe I've worked on unpacking it, organizing it, getting it put into new totes. I have storage containers that I had purchased or my husband purchased for me. About 10 to 12 hours of work into it. I think in all we're looking at $200 that I paid for the yarn and probably a retail value of at least $2,000 in yarn. I'm just so overwhelmed by the amount of yarn. And I'm so excited. I never would have thought I'd had that much variety and that much yarn in my stash. So this is just really exciting. I have a lot of great ideas, things to make. Baby blankets, washcloths, got tons of baby yarn and cotton yarn. So be on the lookout. More videos coming your way soon. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that the next time I upload and put a video out there for you, you'll be able to see it. So you have an awesome day, and we'll see you soon here at the Crafty Yarn Barn. Bye.